Hi everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Learn English Today. We are going to have lot of fun today in this video because we are learning some unique, funny but very useful words. So without any delay, let's get started and move towards our first word topsy-turvy. Topsy-turvy. Meaning of this word is upside down, in complete confusion, or in a state of utter disorder. हिंदी में अगर कहें तो उल्टा हो जाना, सब कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा हो जाना, बिखरा होना, कोई चीज़ ऑर्डर में ना होना, कंफ्यूजन होना, किसी की लाइफ भी टॉपसी टर्वी हो सकती है, सब कुछ तितर बितर हो सकता है. एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस लेते हैं. आफ्टर द अर्थक्वेक द टाउन वॉज टॉपसी टर्वी with buildings collapsed and roads cracked. Second sentence लेते हैं. The children's playroom was always topsy-turvy with toys scattered everywhere. Her life has become topsy-turvy after her husband's death. So now we will move on to the next word, vice versa. Vice versa. You might have heard this word and might have used also. Meaning of this word is the other way around or the opposite is also true. It is like saying if this is true, then the opposite is true as well. मतलब दोनों तरफ से both ends are correct. Both, if one statement is true, even if it is reversed, then we use vice versa. Take the example sentences. I like her and vice versa. It means she likes you back. It's a way of showing that things work both ways or in reverse. The students respect the teacher and vice versa. I hope you understood it. Now we will move on to our third word. That is Willy nilly. This might be a new word for you. Meaning of this word is in a disorganized or unplanned manner, sloppily, willingly or unwillingly. मतलब किसी चीज को ऑर्डर में ना करना, किसी चीज को बिना किसी प्लानिंग के करना. हिंदी में अगर ठीक से बोले तो बिना सोचे समझे करना, बस ऐसे ही कर लेना, विदाउट एनी ऑर्डर, विदाउट एनी प्लानिंग, डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड होना. दैट इज विली निली. एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस लेते हैं. शी थ्रू द इंग्रेडिएंट्स इनटू द पॉट विली निली विदाउट फॉलोइंग द रेसिपी. सेकेंड सेंटेंस लेते हैं. The papers were scattered willy-nilly across the desk, creating a chaotic workspace. So जब चीजें बिखरी हों, ऑर्डर में ना हों, तो willy-nilly का यूज किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट वर्ड लेते हैं. Chitchat. Chitchat. This is a very common word and it is frequently used in spoken English and formal and written English. Chitchat, meaning informal conversation about matters that are not important. मतलब हिंदी में गपशप करना, अनइम्पॉर्टेंट बातें बस ऐसे ही हल्की लाइट हार्टेडली कुछ बात करना. एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंस लेते हैं. लेट्स सिट डाउन एंड हैव अ क्विक चिट चैट बिफोर द मीटिंग स्टार्ट्स. सेकेंड सेंटेंस. During the coffee break, we had a little chit-chat about our weekend plans. अगर आपसे कोई पूछता है, what are you talking about? You can answer, it's just a chit-chat. Means nothing important, nothing serious. So, nothing formal. Okay, now the next and the last word. Chill pill. Chill pill. It's a funny and interesting word. Chill pill is a slang phrase used to suggest that someone needs to calm down or relax. जब कोई बहुत stressed होता है, टेंशन में होता है, then we should use this word. Take a chill pill means relax. स्ट्रेस से और टेंशन से एक ब्रेक ले लो. एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस लेते हैं. Hey, take a chill pill. We have got plenty of time to finish the project. She needs to take a chill pill. Getting upset over small things won't help. So, chill pill means to relax, to calm down, to take a break from the tension, from the stress, from the lot of work and pressure. So in today's video, we have learned 5 words. Topsy-turvy, vice versa, willy nilly, chit-chat, chill pill. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you might have found the video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to receive the notification. Feel free to comment with your favorite word from today's video or suggest topics for the future videos. Until next time, happy learning.